Hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between TLDV versus Fireflies AI. Which meeting tool is better? We'll be talking about the features, pricing, pros and cons, and at the end, you have solid reasons to make your pick. We have the links to TLDV and Fireflies AI in the description so you can get a head start at the end of this video. And starting with the features, TLDV is a versatile AI tool that integrates seamlessly with popular video conferencing platforms like Google Meet, Zoom, and MS Teams. Its core functionality revolves around providing an efficient way to record, transcribe, and summarize meetings. It can transcribe meetings in over 30 languages and even allows for AI-powered moment summaries, letting you quickly capture key points during a meeting. The tool offers a dedicated AI chat function that can provide further insight into your meetings, and it can generate AI reports that can be particularly useful for managers to get a bird's-eye view of multiple meetings. Fireflies is an AI-powered assistant designed to transcribe, summarize, and analyze your meetings. It seamlessly integrates with all major video conferencing platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. The key features that make this tool stand out are its accurate transcription with speaker identification, the ability to generate a searchable knowledge base of all your conversations, and you have Ask Fred, an AI assistant that can answer questions about your meetings or generate content like follow-up emails. And now to the pricing. TLDV offers a variety of plans to suit different needs, with up-to-date pricing available on their website. You have the free plan, and this plan is a great starting point, allowing you to get a feel of the service without any cost. It includes unlimited meetings and viewers, transcription in over 30 languages, and up to 10 AI multiple meeting reports. Then you have the Pro plan at $29 per seat per month. This plan is perfect for professionals and growing teams. It gives you unlimited AI meeting notes, full access to AI chat function, and unlimited uploads for transcription. It's a significant upgrade that unlocks the full potential of TLDV's AI capabilities. Then you have the business plan for larger teams and businesses. The business plan is priced at $65 per seat per month, and it includes everything in the Pro plan, plus advanced features like multi-team management and AI coaching. You also have the Enterprise plan, and this is great for API access, dedicated support, enhanced security, and custom needs. It includes everything in the business plan along with privately hosted AI and advanced team and data management for admins. Firefly AI offers a tiered pricing structure with a plan for every need. You have the free plan, and this plan is available for free forever. It's a great starting point, allowing you to get a feel for the service with 800 minutes of meeting storage and limited transcription. The Pro plan is at $18 per month, and this is ideal for individuals and small teams. It includes unlimited transcription, 8,000 minutes of meeting storage, and AI summaries. It is a fantastic value for those with frequent meetings. Then you have the business plan, priced at $29 per month. This plan is popular with fast-growing teams. It includes everything in the Pro plan, plus unlimited storage and conversation intelligence features that provide deep insights into your meetings. Then you have the Enterprise plan. This is for large organizations that require custom solutions and enterprise-grade security. As you can see, it's at $39 per month, and it comes with all the business plan features, plus advanced security features and private storage. This plan is great for individuals and small teams who want to get the most value for their money. And here's to the pros and cons. TLDV on the bright side has unlimited meetings. Even the free plan offers unlimited meetings, which is a major advantage over many competitors. Extensive integrations. TLDV integrates with over 5,000 tools, allowing it to fit into virtually any existing workflow. Efficient AI. The tool excels at automatically creating summaries and reports, saving a lot of time on post-meeting work. And now to the downside of TLDV. Bot in meeting. The TLDV bot must physically join your meeting to record and transcribe, which can be visible to attendees. Pricing jump. While the free and Pro plans are competitively priced, the jump to the business plan may be substantial for some teams. And now to the pros and cons for Fireflies. On the bright side, it has a highly accurate transcription, often exceeding 90%. It has seamless integrations with major apps and CRMs. The AI-powered search makes it easy to find specific moments from past meetings. It also has advanced conversation intelligence and analytics. The Ask Fred AI assistant does save time by generating content and answering questions about your calls. On the downside, the speaker labeling can be inaccurate at times, especially in fast-paced meetings. Some users may find the user interface to have a steep learning curve, and the default setting to automatically join and share meeting notes can be seen as intrusive, but this can be changed. In conclusion, both TLDV and Fireflies AI are powerful tools that can transform how teams handle meetings. Fireflies AI is a superior choice for large multilingual teams that need deep CRM integration and advanced analytics. In contrast, TLDV is a perfect solution for teams that prioritize video sharing, asynchronous collaboration, and a generous free plan. Don't forget to check out the links to TLDV and Fireflies AI in the description below so you can enjoy these services. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.